We believe in lifelong learning. Whether you're just starting your career or looking to make a change, learning should always be rich, stimulating, and fun. And that's how GoSkills started 10 years ago. We built engaging online courses with bite-sized lessons that fit our schedules. We worked with the best instructors to cover topics like Microsoft Excel and project management. And it was clear that others enjoyed this experience too. Because over 10 years, we've helped more than 500,000 people learn worldwide. Stronger skills means greater confidence and productivity. And these learners have taken their careers to the next level, helping to grow teams and companies just like yours. Now with GoSkills, you can unlock the power of your team even further by using our award-winning course creation tools. You can choose from ready-made templates or build a course from scratch to fit your team's unique needs. We've incorporated everything we've learned over the past decade into our brand new course builder, and we can't wait to see what your team accomplishes with it. Because lifelong learning really is the key to building a team that grows and succeeds for years to come.